For this tutorial, we are going to be using the hot pink ombre themed birthday garland from FettyFest.com. This garland box features bright pinks, metallic finishes, and some dreamy bubble balloons. I highly recommend taking the time to watch our general tips and tricks video as it covers some efficiency and installation tips that will save you a ton of time and headache. It's worth the watch, I promise. Let's start by inflating all of the 5-inch balloons by color, starting with the metallic white. As you inflate, tie balloons together into pairs and then make a cluster of 4 called a quad by wrapping the 2 pairs around each other at the knot. Once finished with the white, move on to the pink balloons. Tie each pair of 5-inch quads together with a string balloon. Set the 5-inch quads aside while we finish preparing the other balloons. Inflate the 12-inch balloons by color as well, tying into pairs and then making quads in the same fashion as you did the 5-inch balloons. Bubble balloons are a fun and whimsical addition to your garland. They look a little ugly coming out of the box and require some stretching to inflate properly. You want to inflate until the balloons are round and the seam is nearly invisible. Place light pressure on the top of the balloon as you inflate to help it round out. Be sure not to overinflate. I have included a couple extras in your box though, just in case. Once inflated, tie shut with a string balloon. Now it's time to round up all of the 12-inch quads. Begin by tying a string balloon to the first dark metallic pink quad knot cluster. Then place the next pink quad on top and secure it with a string balloon by making a figure 8 around 2 of the balloons in the second cluster. Repeat these steps, attaching all of the quads for each color one after another from darkest to lightest. When needed, tie a second string balloon to the first and continue adding quads. At this time, you will want to go ahead and attach your garland to the wall. Use the string balloons to attach to your wall hooks. You can hang the garland in any orientation you would like to fit your needs. You can always twist and manipulate the balloons around to give your garland more body and curve. Now it is time to add your specialty balloons and fillers. Tie the bubble balloons into the garland. These look best placed at the junctures between color transitions, and they really give the best effect when they face straight out. Once you have selected a spot for the 5-inch quads, stretch them apart and floss the string balloons down between the 12-inch balloons and position the quads where you think they look best.